welcome back to Motech Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay, and that is Nick working hard already. Today we're going to talk about carbon fibre. G80 and G82 carbon fibre and performance style body kits are now in stock, so we're going to fit this kit to our car. This is a good looking kit. First of all, I was really a bit unsure about it. I still am a little bit unsure as it's in my hands right now, as you can tell. But let's get it fitted and have another sort of second judgment. With carbon, Nick has been very particular. This has got to fit perfectly. So let's see how it looks, and then we'll have a quick review once it's all done. So that didn't take very long at all. These fit like the original ones. As you can see, use the original BMW sort of plastic rivets to put in place, and it just pushes in. The original ones just come off and this just pops in. These are perfect. That shut line, the finish line where the carbon meets the red paint, you can really see it's just perfect the way across. Very factory, which is kind of what you want on an expensive car like this, and we don't really want to be selling cheap versions of this anyway. We were going to fit the front, but we're handling out a little bit longer. We have the M Performance fronts in stock as well, which is a 3-part front. We are going to re-lower this car. The car is actually on Eibach Springs, which is a 20mm drop. We are going to be fitting the H&Rs, which is a 30mm front, and I believe a 30 on the rear of this one. Information will be below on where to buy them as well. So we're going to go a little lower, and we're going to change the front splitter out as well on another vlog coming, whether that will be before Christmas or just after, I don't know. And then we're going to be talking about wheels, and hopefully before all of that, the next vlog should be Remus. So let us know so far what you think of the body kit on the car.